Hey, this is Ted. How I make Google Sheet a data entry form. First video, I'm going to showcase you the application, and the second video, I'm going to review the logic behind the scene. Please watch it and let me know what you think. Thank you. Okay, this is the application I made by Google Sheets. You can see there's two sheets. One is reception, which is a data entry screen where you can enter data, you can look up data and update data. And members is the database where you can store your data. Currently is empty. And recently I purchased a zoo. So I'm going to name it Ted Zoo. And I also purchased 4 animals, and I'm going to enter their informations. First of all, let me finish the first one. So the first animal is called Hi Garfield. He's a cat. So Mr. Garfield. Hi. Last name Garfield. Age -2. Marital state is still single. So that's he doesn't have a wife's name here. And the living zone in the zoo, there are 4 living zones. As you can see in the drop-down list is Eden Garden, Hebron Oasis, Sinai Mountains, and Sodom Desert. Sodom Desert. Okay, so Garfield is currently living in the Sinai Mountains. And for the notes, I currently do not have any notes right now. So for the entry date and the last update date is automatic, so I don't need to do anything on it. I'm going to just save the information. Okay, currently, if you look at the database, you can see all the information except the one I didn't enter and also the photo field. So I'm going to manually insert the photo here by doing the insert image insert. So I'm going to choose an image to upload. Okay, you probably won't see this. This is just there's a pop-up in my download folder. I'm going to choose the images. Okay, it start uploading now right now. You can see the photo is showing here. So if I go back to the reception sheet, the data should be in the database right now. So I'm going to just click hide Garfield's ID number, and it's going to display his information. And I'm going to finish all the rest of the entry and get back to you. Okay, now I have finished enter all the 4 animals informations. As I mentioned earlier, this sheet, this reception sheet can function as a data entry form. It can also function as a data lookup screen. So I'm going to show you right now. I have 4 animals. So the first one is Hi Garfield. He's less than 2 years old, single, living in Sinai Mountain. And the second one is Hello Kitty. So single, living in Hebron Oasis. And the third one is Kung Fu Panda, 2 to 5 years old, married to Wendy Panda, living in Eden Garden. Number 4 is Wendy Panda, because Kung Fu Panda and Wendy Panda are couples. So Wendy Panda have a last name Panda, and married to Kung Fu Panda, living in Eden Garden. So in the database, you can see all the information is here. So everything's functioning fine. And right now something happened because Hi Garfield and Hello Kitty decided to get married. So I have some information I need to update. So Hi Garfield, less than 2 now. He's married to Hello Kitty. So married to Hello Kitty. And because they are married, so I need to move them to Eden Garden. So I'm going to save it. So this one saved. You can see the last update date showing something. Doesn't mean it's updated. I'm going to go to Hello Kitty. So Hello Kitty married to Hi Garfield, so I need to change her last name to Garfield. Now is Mary and to Hi Garfield. She is also moved by me to Eden Garden, so I'm going to save it. So this is working as an update phone as well. But also this something also happened to this couple because Kung Fu Panda is doing too much Kung Fu at home, and his wife cannot stand it, so they got divorced. So I need to change this. Kung Fu Panda, change to divorce, and get rid of the husband and wife name. Live in June because he's doing too much Kung Fu, so I'm going to isolate him into Sodom Desert. So I'm going to save it. Okay, it's saved. Let's go to Wendy Panda. So she got divorced, so I need to change back her last name back to Wendy Bear. And divorce, and get rid of her husband name. And I'm going to move her to something good so she can recover. So I'm going to move her to Hebron Oasis. I'm going to save it. Yeah, so everything's now safe. Let's review the data one more time. Let's go back to 1. Okay, so this is just entry form. When you have 1000 is on entry mode. Let's go to 1001. I got Phil Mary to Hello Kitty Eden Garden 2. Hello Garfield Mary Eden Garden. Search Kung Fu Panda now isolated in the Sodom Desert. Divorce. And let's go back to the last member is Wendy Bear, divorce, and living in its Hebron Oasis. And let's check the database in members. So you can see all the data is updated here properly. Hello, so that concludes the first video. I will see you later. Bye.